That's it, Mona.
Zach, what just happened?
Huh? Well, dude, some crazy stuff just happened. Wild.
Wild.
I told my dad, I don't care if Joel hits that, I'm not. Nope.
Unreal. 60s.
I guess it is what it is for today, but tomorrow we gotta get it rougher than this.
It'll come around.
Yeah, I think it will.
Unreal. If you do it once, you gotta do it twice.
The camera's out, so.
Never heard of that.
And then don't do it again, you gotta season
What?
it. And then don't do it again, you gotta season it complete.
That's what they said before it. No, I'm just kidding. No one told me not to do it. I'm just too dumb. I just did it. I don't know, because like the way I hit the turn, wide open up the face, like I'm in the air for like 6 seconds it feels like, but
Yeah. What if he did wide open the corner and then just scrub that jump?
I do, but it just feels slow.
Yeah.
It feels faster like that. Maybe that's it. I'm done. That's the last time I do it.
We'll see about that one.
Yeah.
You said that last
What if I just start busting it out in the moto?
Yeah.
Yeah.
A little off. I was pretty happy with that. But it wasn't steering right. I checked it last night and I knew it was a little off. It's just nice though to have him, like, because he knows exactly what I want to do.
For sure.
And then he brought there's a bar you can check toe with to see which way the tire's out. He brought it out. This tire's bowed out like way too much. That tire was fine, but that's why my shoulders in the woods, I kept like standing over the bike, forcing it to turn. My shoulder was getting tired, my left one. Like, there's something up.
What is that? Look, you're famous.
Tell the camera what you want to say.
Testing out the 2022 Pro bike. Got a new Dyson motor in this thing, and I think I'm on the right path. So let's see how this thing rips. And we get that first little bit out, it'll be so much better.
There's situations where I could drive a corner way harder.
Cause I feel like that's all I'm doing back. My initial stab in the gas, it just like falls and then it goes.
Oh, 275.
I think we should throw that on there.
Why don't we just run the same spring that I have on all my other bikes?
Well, we don't have it.
What was
Well,
on the other bike?
250.
Whenever you put all your weight into the rake every time, yeah, it's right now I can tell like the rake is too low. The shot needs to be brought up. That's why I go through the shot. Held up really good today, but I mean, you go around and see. I don't think there's really anything that's jacked up.
Okay. Should we do a light tail tomorrow so it's rough?